We'll guide you through how to transfer files from Dropbox to Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and log into your Dropbox account. Once you're in, select the files or folders you want to transfer. You can do this by clicking the checkbox next to each file or folder name. After selecting, click on the Download button, usually located at the top of the page. This will download a zip file containing all your selected files to your computer. Now, open a new tab and go to drive.google.com to access your Google Drive account. Make sure you're logged in with the correct Google account. Once you're in Google Drive, click on the New button on the left side of the page. From the drop-down menu, choose File Upload or Folder Upload if you're transferring a folder. Navigate to where the zip file was downloaded on your computer. If it's a zip file, you'll need to extract it first by right-clicking and selecting Extract All, or using your preferred extraction tool. After extracting, choose the files or the entire folder and click Open to start uploading them to Google Drive. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the upload is complete, your files will be available in your Google Drive. You can organize them into folders or share them with others as needed. It's that easy to transfer files between Dropbox and Google Drive. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.